Hi everyone, it's Miss Abby. You can see all the amazing artwork I've gotten from you over the past 2 weeks behind me. It's made me so happy. I hope everyone is doing well and enjoying the nice weather we have. The story I'm going to be reading today is actually from a package two friends sent me in the mail. I want to say thank you to Cedric and Geneva for sending me a big box of books to say thank you for Teacher Appreciation Week. And the story that I have today is called From Caterpillar to Butterfly by Deborah Heiligman, illustrated by Barry Weissman. I thought this would be a good story because now's the time of year where butterflies are going to be flying around and the caterpillars are going to be changing into them. And maybe when you're out for a walk, you can find some. From Caterpillar to Butterfly. Today, a caterpillar came to school in a jar. It is eating green leaves. It is climbing and wiggling. This tiny caterpillar is going to change. It will change into a beautiful butterfly. Can everyone see the small caterpillar in the jar? Caterpillars start off as even smaller little eggs. Caterpillars usually turn into butterflies outdoors. They live in gardens and meadows and yards. But we will watch our caterpillars change into a butterfly right here in our classroom. This change is called metamorphosis. Can you try to say that big word? Metamorphosis. It's a really big word, isn't it? Our caterpillar started out as a tiny egg. The mother butterfly laid the egg on a leaf. There's a little sentence right here that says, a butterfly is an insect. Do you remember, we talked about insects. Do you remember how many legs insects have? It's tricky. 6, that's right. The egg is tiny. It is the size of a pinhead. That's really, really small. When the caterpillar hatched out of the egg, it was hungry. It ate its way out of its own eggshell. Then it started to eat green plants right away. The mother butterfly lays her eggs on plants that the caterpillar will eat. These are called host plants. The caterpillar's job is to eat and eat and eat, so it will grow and grow and grow. Does this remind you of a story you've read before about a very, very hungry caterpillar? Each day, when we come into school, we look at our caterpillar. Each day, it is bigger. The caterpillar eats and grows for 12 to 14 days. Our skin grows with us, but a caterpillar's skin does not grow. When the caterpillar gets too big for its skin, the skin splits down the back. The caterpillar crawls right out of its own skin. It has new skin underneath. This is called molting. Our caterpillar will molt 4 or 5 times. Does this remind you of any other animals that might shed its skin? After many days, our caterpillar is finished growing. It is much bigger than when it first came to school. It is almost as big as my little finger now. You want to see the little caterpillar in the jar? It's not so little anymore. Our caterpillar is making a special house. First, it makes a button of silk. It uses this button to hang upside down from a twig. Then it molts for the last time. Instead of a new skin, this time there is a hard shell. This shell is called a chrysalis. Our caterpillar will stay inside the chrysalis for a long time. The chrysalis is also called the pupa. Does everyone see that little button of silk that the caterpillar starts to form its chrysalis on? Every day, the chrysalis looks the same. We can't see anything happening, but inside the chrysalis, our caterpillar is changing. I wonder what it's changing into. The caterpillar stays in the chrysalis for about 1 week. When our caterpillar, our caterpillar ever turn into a butterfly? Will it ever come out of its chrysalis? We can hardly wait, but we do. We wait and wait and wait. Those students are being very patient waiting for the butterfly to emerge. Then, one day during snack time, somebody shouts, "Look!" And we all rush over to see. The chrysalis is cracking. We see a head, a body, and then wings. It's a butterfly. The tiny caterpillar who came to school in a jar turned into a painted lady butterfly, and we saw it happen. Our butterfly is damp and crumbled. It hangs onto the chrysalis while its wings flap, flap, flap. Blood pumps into its wings, like how blood pumps through our body. The wings straighten out and dry. Soon our butterfly will be ready to fly. That's exciting. In the 2 hours, the wings are dry and the butterfly is ready to fly. Our butterfly cannot stay in the jar. It needs to be outside with flowers and grass and trees and other butterflies. It is a warm spring day. I put my finger into the jar. The butterfly sits on my finger. I pull it out and our butterfly goes free. We feel a little sad and a little happy. It's okay to feel sad and happy when you're saying goodbye to a friend like a butterfly. We watch our butterfly land on a flower. It will sip the flower's nectar through a long coiled tube called a proboscis. Maybe it is a female butterfly. Maybe someday she will lay an egg on a leaf. I know just what will happen then. The egg will hatch into a caterpillar, and the caterpillar will turn into a beautiful butterfly. Painted lady butterflies sip nectar from certain flowers. They like thistle, burdock, zinnia, butterfly bush, and mint. Those are pretty flowers. The end. So I hope you guys enjoyed this story, and I am enjoying all of the artwork you're sending me, so please feel free to send me more. I love decorating with it, and to my friends that sent me these stories, I can't wait until we're back at school and I can share them with everyone. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.